सबसे पहले तो मैं जावेद सर की आवाज में सब लोगों को रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहते हैं कि 25 दिसंबर को कूली नंबर 1 रिलीज हो रहा है, जिसमें हमारे कुंवर महेंद्र प्रताप सिंह आपके सामने कॉमेडी करते हुए नजर आएंगे। तो उनका पिक्चर जरूर देखना Amazon प्राइम वीडियो के ऊपर। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
So since you and Varun have been in so many films together, we want to know a few secrets about him, and it's also going to be a sort of rapid fire. So what is the one thing that you can reveal to us about Varun Dhawan that nobody knows?
The first thing that I can reveal to people, I know a lot of them are not going to believe when I say this, but he's a very normal boy. If he has an opportunity to lead a very like a non-starry life, he will do it. He's that kind of a person. He loves being a star. Don't get me wrong. He loves being where he is. But people who know him very closely, people who know him very personally, will vouch for what I'm saying. That he's just like you and me, and that is something that is going to be hard for a lot of people to believe.
What is the one thing that you love and hate about Varun?
The one thing that I love about Varun is his humility, how genuinely and effortlessly humble he is. One thing that I hate about him is, his body. I am jealous of his body. I want to have a body like that. There's nothing I hate about Varun Dhawan. I mean, it's hard to hate the guy. Come on, he's sweet.
One thing you want to learn from him, and one thing that he should learn from you.
One thing I should learn from him is the discipline that he has about fitness and looking good and taking care of oneself, taking care of his body, taking care of his fitness. And one thing he should learn from me is the carefree attitude of not taking care of oneself. Eating whatever you feel like, being free a little bit. I think a combination of Varun Dhawan and Sahil Vaid would be a perfect human being.
So like you just said, I'm sure Varun is very strict about his diet. So can you tell us what he eats when he's shooting for a film?
He eats everything and he eats a lot. But then he works very hard. He works really hard. I've only worked out with him once when we were in Chandigarh. And I've seen how hard he works. And obviously, I've always seen how much he eats. He's got a fabulous metabolism going on. And he really, now since I'm getting back into fitness. I was into fitness before Humpty Sharma Ki Dulhaniya, and now I'm getting back into fitness. So I know how hard it is, especially once you cross the age of 30. Your metabolism slows down, but he takes care of his metab like a pro. He eats a lot, but he burns a lot of calories, and at the same time he stays fit. He balances his workouts. He balances his diet. Although he eats a lot, but he balances that plate. There's this rule divided between your macros. Check your macros: carbohydrates, proteins, and fiber. You need all of them. So he believes in that.
If you had to play any other character apart from yours in Coolie Number 1, which one would it be?
If I was fitter, I would want to play Varun's character. And if I was older, I would have wanted to play Paresh Rawal's character. Since I'm none, I'm very happy playing Deepak.
And if you could star in any other older David Dhawan film, which one would it be?
I would love to do Hero Number 1.
You had spoken about Javed Jafri and his comic timing. And
the different acting styles they bring on to the table.
Right.
And I'm talking with regards to Mr. Paresh Rawal, Rajpal Yadav, Johnny Lever Sahab, and Mr. Javed Jafri. It sometimes becomes very challenging to kind of match up to their different acting styles. But I would like to thank my training and my teachers who have opened me up to different styles and different way people love to perform. And Mr. Paresh Rawal is already a great combination of he can pull off a slapstick over the top performance with as much ease, like a realistic performance. He internalizes his characters and he can externalize his characters as well. Rajpal Yadav, on the other hand, comes in with so much energy. He uses his body, he uses his energy level to kind of perform that's his style. That's how he loves doing it. He's more physical than internal. And so is Johnny sir. Johnny Lever Saab is such an intellectually sorted person up here in the head. But when you see him perform, he keeps all of that home and he brings on that energy. And almost on the same lines of Rajpal Bhai, Johnny Lever sir brings out the best through physicality. Javed Jafri Saab again is a great combination. He is like Paresh Rawal Saab in that respect only. He uses his voice a lot since he is a voice actor as well. He's lent his voice to some epic characters over the years, be it Hollywood dubbings or be it Takeshi's Castle. We've heard.
We've grown up watching Takeshi's Castle, I think.
Exactly. So he brings that very effortlessly onto the table, and I relate to his style the most since I'm also a voice actor,
Right.
and I'm also from the theater. So I believe in the combination of bringing physicality and internalizing your character a bit, and also use my voice to kind of make it as effective as possible. So yeah, I would relate to Javed Bhai the most. One interesting thing on set was we had we had two awesome dancers. One was obviously Varun Dhawan, which everybody knows, and Javed Jafri. Javed Jafri was also a superb dancer. If you don't know about it, you should watch some of his yesteryear films where I think he brought breakdance to the movies. He brought it into the movies. Before him, I used to really love Govinda sir's dances. When I was watching Hum when I was a kid, I thought Govinda was really crazy when it came to that particular dance fight that happens in that bar. And he also showed me a couple of videos where he was massively amazing. And I was thinking, if he gets to dance again in this era, what he would do, he would really kill it.
And like you just said, you're a voice artist and we know that. And I'm not letting you go without imitating Javed Jafri. And you have to tell people to watch Coolie #1 in your Avengers and Transformers voice.
सबसे पहले तो मैं जावेद सर की आवाज में सब लोगों को रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहते हैं कि 25 दिसंबर को कूली #1 रिलीज हो रहा है, जिसमें हमारे कुंवर महेंद्र प्रताप सिंह आपके सामने कॉमेडी करते हुए नजर आएंगी. तो उनका पिक्चर जरूर देखना Amazon Prime वीडियो के ऊपर. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
He's playing a Malayali
character
person, so he brings that accent onto the table. But let's not forget he's pretending to be Malayali.
Right.
So उनका जो एक्सेंट है वो थोड़ा सा ओवर द टॉप जाता है.
You want me to sound like Optimus Prime?
Yes.
I have witnessed their capacity for courage, and though we are worlds apart, there is more to them that meets the eye. I am Deepak, and I request you to watch Coolie #1 on the 25th of December on Amazon Prime Video. We are waiting. We are here.
That was amazing. Thank you so much, Sahil. We're looking forward to Coolie #1.
Thank you, Supriya.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.